A short film regarding observing the zodiac signs. Between December and March of any year, northern hemisphere anyway, we can see Orion quite easily and rotate it around the right way. It's not a zodiac sign, but we can use it as a starting point. So put it back the right way and go up, straight up, and we get the Hyades star cluster, that sideways V, and that represents our first zodiac sign of Taurus, the bull. So the V represents its head, and you've got two stars going out toward the left of the V. They're the ends of the horns. Above it you have at the moment the planet Mars. We won't always be there. Obviously it goes around the sun and so do we, so the combined motion makes it move. We also have the Pleiades star cluster above that V in the top right here. Once we've identified Taurus, we can go to the right and we'll come across Aries the Ram. So going backwards through the constellations, as it were, and you've got three stars on the right hand side, and it's in line with the fourth. Somehow that's a ram. Okay, if you can make that out, you've got a bit of imagination than me. But if you keep on going to the right, we come across quite a tough one. At the moment we can use Jupiter as a marker, which is just there, because not always there. Once again it's moving around the sun very gradually. But here's the square of Pegasus, the flying horse. Again, it's not a zodiac sign, but you can use it as a marker for Pisces. There's a circular-ish area of stars underneath the square, and just amongst the clouds there, very faint stars. And then to the left of the square, another small group of stars with the other fish. So you've got two fish there, one to the left of the square and one just underneath. So that's the furthest point we can go in this direction. So that's three zodiac signs done. So if we go back toward Orion and Taurus, there you go, there's Taurus, Orion underneath, there we go. Go back up, and this time we turn to the left. From Taurus we come across Gemini the twins, which is a rectangular group of stars. There it is. I'll just rotate it around so it's in line with the graphic. There we go. So it's like a double rectangle. Two stars on the left hand side, the two brightest ones, Castor and Pollux. If I pronounced that correctly. Then we keep on going to the left. We pick up Cancer the crab. It's not an easy one, it's quite faint. And there are the stars of the crab. Cancer. Not a particularly prominent one. That's my star sign, if you're into that. In July. Then once you've done that, go down further to the horizon. On this occasion we'll pick up Leo the lion, and it's always underneath the plough, Ursa Major. There's a plough there, directly underneath. The easiest way to find Leo. Rotate it the right way up, and we see Leo as like a backwards question mark, or a hook shape. That's on the right hand side there. And we've got a paper mill in view a couple of miles away, but it doesn't spoil the view too much. There's Leo on the horizon, so at least we can see 6 out of the 12 zodiac signs in one hit. So you want a quick recap. There's Leo. So you take it sideways to match the ecliptic, up to Cancer the crab, Gemini the twins. Above Orion we have Taurus the bull. It's pretty high up now, I'm struggling with my arms, and keep going to the right. There is Ram, and finally back to Pisces, the fish near the square of Pegasus. There it is again. Okay, and the other 6 you can see in the summer. We've got 6 in one hit. Thank you for watching.